Have you ever dreamed of achieving something extraordinary for yourself and family? What if I told you that an additional $2,000 of income could turn those dreams into reality? Play the Dream Achievement game and start ticking off your dreams, one success at a time. Every dollar earned brings you one step closer to checking off your dreams from the ultimate dream achievement list. Credit card debt freedom, mortgage freedom, debt-free lifestyle, children's education fund, investing in real estate, early retirement, building an investment portfolio, passive income streams, healthcare and medical expenses, starting a college fund, entrepreneurial ventures, caring for aging parents, financial peace of mind, healthy relationships, travel the world, career advancement, hobbies and passions. Starting an emergency fund. Unlock the secret to financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Join our program and watch your income soar. Good day and a warm welcome, everyone. We're delighted to introduce you to our affiliate partner program, offering you the choice of two rewarding paths, silver and gold affiliate partner levels. Get ready to open the doors to affiliate marketing success as you explore our silver and gold affiliate partner levels. Congratulations on taking the first step toward earning substantial income through our affiliate partner program. Whether you're starting out as a silver affiliate partner, benefiting from the Level 1 Affiliate's 10% leadership incentive, or have reached the esteemed Gold Affiliate Partner level, we're thrilled to have you on board. Now let's know more about Silver Affiliate Partner. Your journey begins. As a Silver Affiliate Partner, you've embarked on your affiliate marketing journey with us. This level is perfect for affiliates who are enthusiastic about promoting our products and services and eager to earn commissions. Benefits for Silver Affiliate Partner. 1. Commission. Earn a competitive 20% commission on net sales, excluding refunded sales within the 14-day money-back guarantee period. For example, if you refer a customer who makes a $100 purchase, you'll earn $20 in commission. 2. Level 1 incentive. Receive a special 10% leadership incentive of the commission amount generated by your Level 1 affiliates. For instance, if your Level 1 affiliate generates $1,000 in commission, you'll earn an additional $100 as a leadership bonus. 3. Access to dashboard. Gain access to our user-friendly affiliate dashboard, where you can track your referrals and commissions effortlessly. 4. Marketing materials. Access a variety of marketing materials, including banners, text links, and promotional content to jumpstart your affiliate success. Join us as a Silver Affiliate Partner and pave the way to your affiliate marketing success. Now let's explore more about Gold Affiliate Partner. Elevated earnings await. You qualify as a Gold Affiliate Partner as soon as you've successfully referred 10 satisfied customers to our program. Reaching the Gold Affiliate Partner level is a testament to your dedication and hard work. Now you're set to enjoy even greater rewards and recognition. Now let's see the benefits. 1. Enhanced commissions. Enjoy a substantial 10% increase in your base commission rate, earning a more lucrative income with each successful referral. Commission. Earn a remarkable 30% on net sales, excluding refunded sales within the 14-day money-back guarantee period. For example, if you refer a customer who makes a $100 purchase, you'll now earn $30 in commission. 2. Exclusive resources. Access an array of exclusive marketing resources, including high-converting ad creatives, email swipes, custom landing pages, and advanced promotional tools. 3. Priority support. Our affiliate team is here to assist you promptly and effectively, ensuring your queries and concerns are addressed with priority. 4. Invitations to industry events. Get invited to select industry events, conferences, and workshops where you can network with other top affiliates, gain insights, and expand your professional connections. 5. Performance recognition. Your exceptional performance will be acknowledged through featured spotlights on our affiliate communication channels, showcasing your achievements to a wider audience. Your journey with us doesn't end here. As you contribute and excel as an affiliate partner, you'll have the opportunity to climb higher in our affiliate ranks, unlocking even more remarkable benefits and rewards along the way. Here's an illustration of how you can make $2,000 per month in passive and active income by helping your Level 1 team members. You earn a base commission of 30% on net sales, which means for every $100 in sales generated by your direct referrals, you earn $30 in commission. Additionally, as an affiliate partner, you receive a 10% leadership incentive of the commission amount generated by your Level 1 team members. Now, let's break down how you can achieve $1,000 in passive income, your Level 1 team's sales. Let's assume your 10 Level 1 team members, combined, generate $10,000. 10 Level 1 team members multiplied by $1,000 in commission for the month. Your incentive earnings. You earn a 10% leadership incentive from your Level 1 team's commission, which amounts to $1,000, 10% of $10,000. Besides your direct referral sales, on top of that, you continue to refer customers directly and generate an additional $3,333 in sales, which results in $1,000 in commission earnings, 30% of $3,333. Total earnings. When you add your passive Level 1 earnings, $1,000, to your direct commission earnings, $1,000, you've now earned a total of $2,000 for the month. Passive income. As this process repeats month after month, your Level 1 team continues to generate $10,000 in commission, and you consistently earn a 10% leadership incentive of $1,000 of their commission. This becomes your passive income stream, totaling $1,000 each month. So, by actively supporting and guiding your Level 1 team to success, you can achieve a steady and passive income of $1,000 per month in addition to your direct earnings. And the best part is that there is no limit to the number of enthusiastic Level 1 affiliate partners you can bring into your affiliate team. The more, the merrier. By focusing on recruiting and nurturing a limitless number of Level 1 affiliate partners who can each make $1,000 per month, you not only enhance your earning potential but also create a supportive and thriving affiliate community. Your success as a team leader is intricately linked to the success of your Level 1 team members, fostering a win-win environment within our affiliate partner program. Remember, your success is our success, and we're excited to partner with you on this journey to mutual prosperity. Join our affiliate partner program today and start your path to affiliate marketing excellence. Together, we'll reach new heights. Have a good day. Thank you and see you soon.
Disclaimer. Please note that the numerical examples provided in this illustration are for illustrative purposes only and do not constitute a guarantee or promise from the company regarding potential earnings. The actual income you may achieve as an affiliate partner can vary based on a variety of factors, including your efforts, market conditions, and individual performance. Earnings can be more or less than the figures presented here, depending on your individual performance and the dynamic nature of affiliate marketing. While we provide resources and support to help you succeed, your results are subject to your own dedication and actions. Additionally, it's crucial to highlight that we strictly follow CAN-SPAM rules. Any violation of CAN-SPAM regulations, including unsolicited email marketing practices, may result in immediate termination of your affiliate partner status with no payout, even if there are any pending commissions. Compliance with CAN-SPAM rules is a fundamental requirement for all affiliates, and we take this matter seriously to ensure a respectful and lawful marketing environment.